So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa on a 13 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space. The boot can be increased by folding down this rear seat as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre, at the bottom, the total miles for this car there, 77,996. Above that, we have the fuel gauge for the car. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we've got controls over here for our stereo. In the centre is the stereo itself with the screen directly above it. So you can see there we've got FM radio. You can change between your FM and AM radio. You can also listen to your own music. There's a few different ways of doing that, and you can see me cycling through those on the screen now. You can also make adjustments to your bass, balance, treble fader as well, all from here. We've also then got a button for our onboard computer, the CD player, the main volume for the stereo, as you can see. You can turn off your passenger airbag. You can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Below that, we have the air conditioning, so you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. You can only do that when you're not set to the windscreen, so you can see that's now come on. That's a great way of heating up or cooling down the car quickly, depending on the temperature you set just here. We've got a heated rear screen as well. Below that, we have two cup holders, USB input and auxiliary input as well, and then a 12-volt charging socket. And then we have the 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you.